Welcome to this quick tutorial on capturing screens for the Appshare App of the Week marketing project. We will be releasing short demo videos of each application, and since you helped with the development, we appreciate your contribution towards capturing the necessary screens to show off what Appshare can do. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here are a few things to remember when capturing screens. Step 1. Before you start capturing, ensure you have the blue theme selected. This will ensure consistency across all the apps on display. From the menu, select the Tools icon in the bottom right corner and click on the current color. Switch to the blue swatch from the pop-up menu. Step 2. A basic script has been prepared to lead you through the process when capturing. Please try your best to stick to the script, which will make it easier to edit at the end. Step 3. Ensure you have a decent screen resolution when doing a screen recording or taking screenshots. Preferably 1920 by 1080 pixels will be sufficient. To do a screen recording, open your Chrome internet browser. Right-click and select Inspect. Switch to Mobile View. Select the iPhone X view and zoom in to 150%. Interact with your application by clicking on the functionality as per the script provided. Pause between screens. Don't go too fast, run the demo at a steady pace. If you need to capture more than one movie, that's fine, it will be stitched together in the final movie. For screenshots, keep the same size as for the video. Try and crop the screens as close as possible to the corners of the screen display. Step 4. When exporting your footage, try keep the file in its default format. MP4 for video and JPG or PNG for images will be fine. Use a large format file transfer service like WeTransfer.com to upload the footage and send it to jakkie.swart@steltix.com. If you are having any difficulty or need some assistance, don't hesitate to contact Jackie Swart from the marketing team. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to your valuable contribution.